Hi Monty, this is Jennifer with Taylor & Son Chevrolet in Ponderay, Idaho, shooting a video for you on the 2007 Corvette. I just wanted to do a walk around and show condition of the vehicle. Very nice, clean car, very well kept. See, the wheels are in good condition. I'll walk around this way, see if I see anything. Be a tiny little scratch right here. The back wheels and tires are in good condition. Go around to the back of the vehicle. Don't see anything standing out back here. Around to the passenger side. And take a look at the wheels and the tires. Look to be in good condition. No scratches or scrapes. This one looks to be good. Come around to the driver's side and open it up and take a look at the interior. Doors look to be in good condition. Got your Bose premium sound. A couple scratches through here. Looks like just where they were getting in and out of the vehicle. Interior looks to be in good shape. Mats. Look at the passenger side. Sorry, it's a little dark in here. We've got it parked inside on the showroom. And I think the floor mats on this side look to be good. The trunk in the back looks to be in good shape. Your dashboard, your steering wheel. Controls on your steering wheel. So yeah, Monty, this is our 2007. It looks to be in very good shape. If you like what you see, you can give Lauren or myself a call at 208-263-2138. Thank you.